अच्छा NEPS ICPS रेगुलर फॉर्म क्यों नहीं आता? जो नहीं आते मुझसे पूछ लिया। अगर जिनका भी अटेंडेंस नहीं है, एब्सेंट है NEPS ICPS में, अनुभव सर के साथ काउंसलिंग होगा, वहाँ पे आप एग्जाम दोगे, क्यों आपको जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है? विशाल नहीं, मम्मी को पीटीएम में क्यों नहीं लिखा है? पापा फर्स्ट सेशन आए थे, फिर मेरा एक भी स्लॉट ही काय बोलते कोणते पाहिजे तुला? आज पण ओपन आहे 12 वाजेपर्यंत, तू स्लॉट बुक करू शकतो. नाही चेक करते, मला दिसतच नाही. वेबसाईटवर जायचं आहे, सगळ्या टीचरने व्हॉट्सअपवर पाठवलं ते साइन अप रॉंग दाखवतो. सगळं बुक आहे, बुक होगा सब बुक है. कुछ मिला ही नहीं. मैं कल भी परसों भी ट्राई की, कल भी मला उद्या किती वाजता जावं लागेल आणि मला एक आईला पण कन्सल्ट करायला लागेल, कारण ते आणि बाबा सुट्टी जेव्हा घरी असेल तेव्हा उद्या संडे आहे, पण आमचं ते काम सुट्टी आहे नाही. तर मग असं कर की जेव्हा पण त्यांना पॉसिबल असेल तुम्हाला सांग, जेव्हा जेव्हा आपले टीचिंग जे डेट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये 10-10 मिनिटाचा टाइम देऊ शकतो. आम्ही बघते त्याचा एक स्लॉट आहे 2:43 तो जर असेल जायला मला सांग. जर बुक नाही झाला तर मला सांग, मी देते तुला डायरेक्ट एंट्री कर.
अभी जानने क्या गोइंग ये भी जानते शिवा की कैसे भाई शिवा की आई शिवा अपनी शिवा से आई संस्कृति
Not come. Not coming. Not coming. अजय बहुत आ गया.
Sir, actually, my mother's sister came to home directly without saying.
Yeah, good evening to you all. Good evening to you all. All are busy. Hello. Over. Let's start the class. Sit down. Before the homeworks are done. Those who are done the homework, sit down. Somebody has given some extra some food. That is the other one. Vaishnavi, you are supposed to inform someone's names and those. Huh? Some. Hello, all of you be quiet now. You are supposed to inform then you have to tell how many terms? Huh? Why you scared of her?
No, I'm not scared of her. I got this.
Teaching. Acha. Very good. 45. Out of 45, what is the pass mark? You are also able to see. Full mark. What? How much that? Sit down. And you? Hello, number of people are not doing homework is more. We'll see what happens. Presentation will be done. When is the midterm starting? Is not there. So, how many users are 40.3 and more would be? What happened? 16 says for the parent. What is this? Cleaning. Vishal, Ethan. Extra left. Do it. Sit down, all of you. Oh, you were how many you got? Take out. Umiraj, sit down. Sit down, sit down, all the terms, if people tell dance, all excuses are there. Practice is not. Yeah. You are supposed to complete. You are done the work. How many sums are done? What is it? From where? 14.4. Jason standard. Continuously both are talking in the sense how to talk. 15. Yeah. Okay. The 14.123 these are equation of the line. How many of you completed the exercises? Homework exercises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This side. Equation of the line chapter completed. Only done. You also done. All the homework exercises. And all 60 and all. No. A special assignments and all were there for you? For you special assignment? Yeah. Yeah, is classing and all festival you are supposed to talk all the concept. Only especially for the school. Yes or no? Yeah. Which school has given you especially one child as you got the special assignment? Maybe what is your
Yes, sir. So the point is the foot of perpendicular from
point P is the foot of the perpendicular from
C minus 5,7. In the line whose equation is 2x minus 3y plus 18 equals 0. Determine first the equation of line equation. Sir, I got that. The second part is the coordinates of P.
all of you be quiet now. What is point Sriraj?
So there is no point E, and the foot of the perpendicular is P, and the top is A.
Here.
Yes, sir.
What is
P is
given?
minus 5,7.
Okay.
And the equation of line is 2x minus 3y plus 18 equals 0.
Keep that mobile inside. Ritu, I am joking. Yeah. So, who has done this one? P is the foot of the perpendicular. You have to find out the equation of AP and coordinate P. Who has done? Equation. So, if you got equation of AP, what is P?
So we can find y.
P is the y-intercept. What y-intercept? Is it x-axis and y-axis?
No, sir.
P is the intersection of two lines. If equation of two lines is there, how will you find the intersection? Solve simultaneously point of intersection. Understood or not?
Yes.
First you find out equation of AP by find the slope of this one. Negative reciprocal, that is 3 by 2. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So you will get the equation. After that, then intersection, point of intersection. Ritu, stand up and explain what I explained over here. Stand up and explain. Come over here and explain. Huh? Explain now. You are busy, you know this all thing that way. Either you know everything that way, you are not listening. Okay, come here. Bring your book. Attendance side. I'll mark your answer. Come with the book here. Did you hear? Keep that bag over there. Move that. You have the volume with you? That is my volume. Yeah. Rikshita, keep that mobile inside your bag. Who's in that? Any other question, doubt is there? Why are you writing in paper? Not to go. Okay. Any other questions? Anyone got doubt? Practices are not going properly. That's why today also two parents have been complaining is that one. Practices are not going properly. Now, did you practice anything? Ooh. Stand up there. What is sin theta equal to? What is sin theta is equal to? Forgot. Answer right, forgot. So you got any exams or something? You are from the same school, no? So write all the trigonometric ratios 5 times. Tell him what is sin theta equal to.
1 upon cos theta, sin theta is equal to
Tell the ratio.
perpendicular.
Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. All the ratios write 5 times. And table also learn and come. Next class, otherwise I'll call you a father over here. Huh? So call the father. Or you learn and come. Huh? Sure. Bhumiraj, did you learn all these things? Sin theta, cos theta, so when are you going to learn? Stand up. So you will, when you will learn again and come, stand up there. Well, fast. When you will learn and come? Next time. Next time means on Monday. Monday coming now? Okay. In between pray to God and all, no problem. Tell your friends also. Okay. What all thing? All the ratios. You know which are the ratios. Huh? Keep it over there, no problem. So sin theta equal to, you know what is sin theta equal to? So that will be all the ratios and the standard angle. Okay. Yes. This girl, do you know the ratios? I forgot. So next class, learn and come. Is it? Tell her. Yes or no? Next class you will be having your festivals. When are you getting over? Huh? Thursday. So then Thursday you don't have time. What are you doing in festivals? Fasting? Huh? Full fasting? The full fasting is not studies. Huh? Long discussion. Not discuss, okay. Instead of discussing, you can study sometime. Okay, so Shiva, did you learn all the ratios? What is cot theta equal to? So learn it's wrong. It is based upon locating. You also learn Monday. Okay. Ritu Datta, do you know the ratios? I forgot. So by Monday learn and come. Okay, now I'm not calling everyone. How many of you know the ratios? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, all the ratios and at least standard values. Okay, who is that? What happened to you?
Sir, she knows all the ratios.
Okay, very good. Okay, so learn by Monday and come. Understood? Rukshita, is it clear? Okay, so we have already discussed about angle of elevation, angle of depression, and line of sight. What do you mean by line of sight? Quickly, so that we start thinking. Line is perpendicular to the line joining the object and the observer is called the line of sight. What do you mean by angle of elevation?
The angle made between the line of sight and the horizon.
Horizontal when the object is above the observer. Sit down. What is angle of depression? Do you know? Very good. When I was explaining, you are looking here and there and laughing. No? You have come, changes has come. Is your angle of depression?
The line joining the
Yeah, angle of depression is the line.
Sorry, angle joining the line of sight.
Angle joining.
The line joining the angle and the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal and the object.
Object is below the observer. Sit down. Okay. Angle of elevation, angle. Which way you please remember. Remember once again. All of you have the scale and pencil now? Yes. Okay. Draw the figure with the scale and pencil and mark it. And a small explanation. You are going again. Take that scale and pencil. Alright. Yeah. Okay, pass the forward. No, mobile is making. Yeah, mobile is not good. Yeah. So, exercise. Other day, listen. Once again, let me this one. Let the rough figure. Let's see how many we can do. Rough figure means I will give one situation. Let's see how many we can do. Anyway, listen and no need to write. Just draw the figure. Scale pencil, no. 5 rupees, 5 rupees, I'll buy you. Huh? Yes. One person. It's the next class. Okay, I'll pay you.
I didn't share.
Okay. Yeah, so right from now you to write, listen and make the figure. Okay. From the top of a building, the angles of depression of the top and bottom of the tree are 30 degree and 60 degree. Make the figure. Could you repeat? I repeat. From the top of the building, the angles of depression of the top and bottom of a tree are 30 degree and 60 degree. No discussions. You do your peers. No, that means brain doesn't work. One sentence only I said. Don't need to look into others. So maybe your friend may be wrong. Who has done? Huh? Where's the attendance sheet? All of you time. Who has done? Somebody has done. Where is the? Yeah. Look here.
So could you repeat the question?
Okay. Now listen here. First thing is listen carefully. I said about two things. Which are the two things? One is the building and the other one is a tree. That means two vertical line segments. You stop drawing now. Enough. Calculations are not required now. Building and the tree. Now, after hearing, is it building is taller, tree is taller? Building, why building is taller? Both to the top and bottom, both are depression. So we can make it this way. Go ahead. Mobile also. Romela is calling you. So mommy's mobile is with you. Switch it off and put it at the back. Here, what is AB? Building. What is CD? Tree. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Once if you draw this much the figure, then only the figure gets completed. Some of you have drawn this on which one? I think who is Avi has drawn now with the 60 to 30. You have to mark this one. That is compulsory to mark. Yes, what happened, Vaishnavi? Not followed. From the top of the building. So from where? From the top of the building means observer is on the top of the building. The angles of depression. So means if we are angles of depression means what you have to do? Look down. To where? To the top and bottom of the tree. So from the top, you look down, you will see the top of the tree. From the top, you look down, you will see the bottom of the tree. Are you followed? Okay, so this is the observer, object is the top, and object is the bottom. Are you followed now? So read from where to where? From the top of the building. To where? To the top and the bottom. Angles of what? Depression. So both are to or down. Is it clear now? Okay, all of you. Figure is don't need just only rough figure only because we are going to do height. From here, some values will be given. You can find out the different things. Height of the building, height of the tree, distance between building and the tree. These all things you can find out. Okay, one more situation check. Okay, similar situation I'll give you. From the top of the building. From the top of the building, the angles of elevation and depression of the top and bottom of a tree are 30 degree and 60 degree. From the top of the building, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and the bottom means foot of the tree are 30 degree and 60 degree. First you do your work, you are telling then what? So first you complete, then only you find out the other problem. Now, here, from let's say again here it is tree and the building is there. So building is taller or tree is taller? Tree is taller. Why? From the top of the building, the angle of elevation of the top of the tree. When tree and building have only vertical line segment, no need to make the shape of the tree and all, only line segment. Okay, all of you follow? Now, so that should not be make anything like that. Just only that one. But if you are making means again you have to make the triangle separate. So there is a building is there and there is a tree is here. From here to the top, the angle of elevation is given as how much? 30. From here, the depression of the foot is how much? Difficult. Not followed. What is the problem? Tell me. In this figure, which is the building? What is the building? AB. Hello. AB is the building. From the top of the building. So from where you are standing? You are standing over here. The angle of elevation of the top and the depression of the bottom from the top to the foot 30 degree and 60 degree. Are you followed? Okay. Don't make anything over here 30 degree over here. No, nothing to mark over here. Okay, this one. Maximum one more if you want to mark this 60 degree, mark it as 60 degree. That's all. Alright, Sriraj. All fine now? So, this way situation comes, you have to. Important thing is making the figure. Once the figure done with the ratio which we know means calculations I'll tell you. Okay, it's a page number. Which chapter is it? Chapter is 84. Okay, 22.1. 22.1. Taken. Okay. Yes. What is happening over here? You are telling me. We will do no volume. Isn't it? It will never bring the volume. I think you brought the volume. Volume 1, no? Volume 2, no? Now what? So, first question. Here. Here. Read the first question.
The height of a tree is √3 times the length of its shadow. Find the angle of elevation of the sun.
Now listen, now those who have the volume with you, please stand up. Volume 2, those who have the volume with you, please stand up. You sit down. Remaining people, you others stand up. Is it? What is the weight of this volume?
120
Okay. Now, if it is you feel it's very heavy, next class, carry some 500 rupees. Keep it over here. I will buy one more volume for you. Okay? Understood? Do you also? Any problem to carry the volume? No. Okay, it's compulsory to carry the volume. It's in the school. Okay, I can understand a lot of periods are there, a lot of books are there. Here, what is it? 2 subjects. You're coming for 2 subjects only now. So 2 notebooks and 2 volumes. That's something to carry now. Otherwise, people feel that you are going to market. Okay. So that please bring it. If anyone feels that no, it's very heavy, you can bring 500 rupees. I will give one additional volume. I will arrange. Okay. After that, every day come to me. I'll give you. Understood? Please sit down. Volume 1. So nice that it is given. So did you read? All of you read the question once again. Shreyas, read the question loudly.
The height of a tree is √3 times the length of its shadow. Find the angle of elevation of the sun.
Height of the tree is √3 times the length of its shadow. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. Could you be able to draw the figure? There is a tree is there and its shadow is there. That much comb you can apply. Try to draw that much, then automatically you will get the angle of elevation. Yeah, look here. If this is the tree, if here, where will be the shadow? If the sun is over here, then the shadow will be in the ground. In this figure, where is the tree? AB. What is the shadow? BC. Is it that much is clear now? Then what is the problem? So if it is the shadow, how it is coming in? There is sun over here. That is why. Now, height of the tree is √3 times the length of its shadow. So if shadow, if we are taking as x, height will be equal to √3 times x. This is the angle of elevation of the sun. Are you followed? From here, if you look at that angle of elevation. Understood or not? This much is clear. You have to find out the value of theta. Figure is drawn. Now, look here. After drawing the figure, you have to give a small explanation, 1 line or 2 lines. So, right. BC is equal to x. Is the length of the shadow. And AB is equal to √3x. AB is equal to √3x is the height of the tree. And theta is the angle of elevation of sun. And theta is the angle of elevation of sun. That which is done. You record, Okay. Okay. Now, which are the sides are given over here? Perpendicular and base. So perpendicular and base, which direction? So even tan or cot you can take anything. In triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to AB upon BC. Replace. That is tan theta is equal to √3x upon x. Cancel. Therefore √3 tan theta. We know that √3 same as how much? Tan 60. Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degree. Your work is over. Therefore, angle of elevation of the sun is equal to 60 degree. Hope you have followed. Okay, write down fast. Deva, are you following?
Yes.
Sure. Little. Abhi, what is the problem? Any problem there? Yeah. Shivangi, textbook volume is there with you now. So read the second question. Loudly read. Will you please loudly? In the class you shout like anything sometimes. Foot of the ladder is all of you read the question and hello quietly give the work. Sharing the book does not mean that you are talk. Sit down, all of you read the question and make the figure. A ladder is leaning against the wall. Okay. The foot of the ladder is how many meters? 2.4 meters away from the wall. And the ladder is inclined at an angle of 68 degrees with the ground. That we have to read and identify. What do you find out from the find the height of the wall. So you have to see the figure is here now. The same figure. 68 degree now. This is 2.4 meter. So you have to find out the height. Are you followed? Height up to it. That much will be enough. Beyond that, you don't need to draw. This one is clear. Same figure. So right. What is the ladder here? AC is the ladder. AC is the ladder. AB is equal to H meter is the foot. Sorry, height of the wall. AB is equal to H meter is the foot of the height of the wall. C is the foot where BC is equal to 2.4 meter. C is the foot of the ladder. The BC is equal to how much? 2.4 meter. Same in triangle ABC, same relations but the values will change. So in triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to tan 68 into tan theta tan 68. That is tan 68 is equal to H upon 2.4. Therefore H is equal to 2.4 tan 68. You know how to find out tan 68? Table is there. Who got? Yes, Shreyas, we got the value?
Yes.
What is the value?
2.475.
One more person find out. Anyone? 4751. Is there anyone got the value? Same thing. Who else? Textbook, who is having the textbook? Check the one. Is the same answer or not? Then multiply. How do you know answer? Multiply. 5.9. Very multiply. 5.90. Please multiply. Therefore, height of the wall, no? Is equal to 2 places of decimal you round up 5.90 or 5.9 meter. Oh, 994 or 90? 940. So it is 5.94 meter. Multiplication, please check. Okay now. All right. No problem.
Yes.
Saksham. Yes. Volume is with you. Read the third question.
A kite is attached to a string. Find the length of the string when the height of the kite is 60 meters and the string makes an angle of 30 degrees to the ground.
Kite is attached to a string. You have to find out the length of the string. Height of the kite is given how much? 60 meter. Hope you got it this much.
Yes.
And kite makes the string makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground. So make the figure. What's the figure? The same figure you can make.
Yes.
This is 30 degree. Height is given as how much? 60 meter now. And you have to find out the length of the string means AC you have to find out. Yes. Fine.
Sine.
Understood or not?
Yes.
Figure you got? Is, hello?
0.5 meters.
Who will give the explanation for this one? Right. A is the kite. AC is the string. A is the kite. AC is the string. AB equal to 60 meter is what? Height of the kite. 60 meter is the height of the kite. So, let's go further. So now you have to find out L now. Therefore, in triangle ABC, what is it? Sine 30 is equal to AB upon AC. Half is equal to 60 upon L. L is equal to how much?
120 meter.
Therefore, length of the string is equal to 120 meter. Is it okay? How many are you following? Ask your friend. Ritu, are you following? Ishani following? Yes, sir. Next question. Sriraj, I too. Today, okay. So, question number. Next, Sumit. Fourth one.
The upper part of the tree broken over by the wind makes an angle of 45 degrees. And the distance from the root to the point where the top of the tree touches the ground is 50 meters. What was the height of the tree from the point of view?
Draw the figure. Once again, upper part of the tree broken. Which side we have to find out? AC is which side? I found it. Which side we have? So perpendicular and hypotenuse, what is the relation? You want to take cosec also you can. What happened? What? So read once again. Again read once again if not follow. Hello, there something secret here doing. Keep the book over here and do it now. You bring the volume and you don't get the place also. Oh, there he is studying to write. You are sir, mistake now bring the volume. Let's do it. Hello, no discussions required. Please don't discuss and do it. If you are discussing and doing, remember application trigonometry, a mark is 0. Important thing is making the figure. Upper part of the tree is broken by the wind and its top touches the ground and makes an angle of how much degree? 45 degree with the ground. Yes or no? And distance from the foot to the top touches the ground is given, I think. 15 meter. Find the height of the tree before it is broken. Original height. I did not see any figure. No, I did not see any figure correct till now.
This
Listen. First, stop talking and listen. So the tree I have said this dotted line is the broken part. Okay, it touches the ground where in the horizontal. Are you followed? Okay, then thereby it makes an angle of how much? 45 degree with the ground. And this is how much? 15 meter. And here, look here. There is one important condition. These two parts are equal. Are you followed or not? Why these two parts are equal? See, it's broken at which point? B. B. Oh. Done step you are showing out. Then it is touching the ground at the point. Okay. Understood or not? Explanation of the figure please. Right. Right. AC is the original height of the tree. AC is the original height of the tree, which is broken at the point. At the point where? At the point B. And the top touches the ground at point D. I repeat, your own statement you can write. AC is the original height of the tree, broken at the point B, and top touches the ground at the point D. Therefore, AB is equal to BD. AB is equal to BD. CD is equal to how much? 15 meter. Now take the triangle. In triangle BCD, I have to find out BC and BD. So first is coming as tan 45 is equal to BC upon CD. 1 is equal to BC upon 15. Therefore BC is equal to 15. Condition 1. You know why BC and BD? Because this is the total height. Total height is BC plus AB. AB is same as BD. Then again, this is which side? Hypotenuse. And base cos 45 is equal to CD upon BD. Therefore, 1 upon root 2. Values nobody is telling. You all know. Does not know. Therefore, BD is equal to how much? 15 root 2. CD. Therefore, AB is equal to 15 root 2. Condition 2. Reason is AB is equal to BD. Therefore, height of the tree is equal to how much? AB plus BC, which is equal to original height of the tree is AB plus BC. 15 root 2 plus 15, which is equal to 15 times root 2 plus 1. That much meter. You have the table now, so you know what is the value of root 2? 1.414. What happened? Why both are looking here and then talking? Move one that side, one this side. Huh? Which step you have not followed? Nothing. Figure you have followed. Huh? Yes or no? What do you have to find out? Or original height. What is the original height? AC. Is the AC is the side of the triangle? No. Is it the AC is the side of that other side? It will no. Okay. Well. Then AC is same as AB plus BC. So can you find out BC? Yes. Can you find out AB? How will you find out? AB is same as BD. So find out BC and BD and both of them. That only I did some Extra things or something? Or shortcuts are done? All same thing is written now. Think and do it. 15 plus root 2 plus 1. What is the value of root 2 plus 1? Value of root 2, you know? 1.414. Root 3, you know? 1.732. So 15 times 2.414. Multiplication done. How much? 21 Who asked you to multiply? So, final value find out, okay? Therefore, think and do it. It's a brain should work. Not this way. Not this way. Okay, think 2 times, then do it. Yeah. Completed. Therefore, original height is equal to how much? 36.21 meter. Completed, all of you? What happened, Abhi? Any problem? Getting answer now? Okay. Read, think, and do it. It's not that too easy sometimes, but you have to think and do. Okay. Next question. More. Read the question.
At a particular time when the sun's altitude is 30
Wait over there. What is the problem for both of you? Any problem? You have followed? Okay, then what is going on? This question is over now. What did I tell? Without discussion, do the work. If you are not able to draw the figure, means there is no point of doing the sums. Then read.
At a particular time when the sun's altitude is 40 degrees, the length of a shadow of a vertical tower is 45 meters. Calculate the height of the tower, the length of the shadow of the same tower when the altitude is 45 degrees and 60 degrees.
So, there are question it is given us, there are how many parts you have to do it? 3 parts you have to do it. First part, second part, third part. Okay, in second part there are 2 cases are there. Now, in this figure, what will always remain same? Distance. Height of the building will not change. Shadow will change according to, is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shadow will change according to the angle of elevation. Okay. No? Okay. I'm now just starting the marks as theta because if otherwise you have to draw the figure of different cases against the angles. Now, what is H over here?
The height of the building.
Height of the building. What is X over here?
The height of the shadow.
Length of the shadow. So right. Figure this much is enough. Don't make a straight line. If you are going to put if you want to put dotted line, you put. Okay, don't just draw the line segment. Okay, dotted line. Okay, if you want. Now, hello, this 30 degree is wrong. Where is the angle of elevation? This is the angle of elevation of the sun. Angle of elevation is here. Okay. Now write. Don't mark 30 degree because everywhere you have to change it. Just mark. Right, what is the figure? AB is equal to H meter is the height of the building. BC is equal to X meter is the length of the shadow when what is given angle of elevation or sun's altitude? When sun's altitude is theta. Sun's altitude is theta. So, you can write in triangle ABC. tan theta is equal to what? AB upon BC. Now, first case, what is given? Theta is equal to how much is given? 30 degree. What else is given? BC is given as how much?
So BC is 45 meters.
45 meter. Therefore, tan 30 is equal to AB H upon 45. Tan 30's value you know is equal to H upon 45. Therefore, H is equal to 45 upon root 3. Rationalize. You have to rationalize into root 3 and therefore how much you get? 15 root 3. 45 root 3 by 3 now. 15 3 are. That is the height of the building. Question been asked to find the height of the building now. No. What happened? Huh? Which step we are not followed? Figure is not followed. Figure is followed or not? Then what you have followed? Do you know what is figure is drawn over here? What is the building over here? AB. What is the shadow? Then what do you follow? Huh? Altitude means angle of elevation of the sun. Sun's altitude means what is the meaning? Angle of elevation. Are you followed? See the sun over here, the shadow, you know what the shadow where it is coming on the ground. So this is the one. So I took the theta is the angle of elevation or this one. Why? I mean this question contains 3 parts, different values. Other 3 different figures here to draw. Okay, so I made this one. Then case 1, when theta is 30 degree and shadow is 45 meter. Substituted what is okay. Now how will we solve this one? 15 times 1.732. 30 times 0.866. How much? 20? 70.25.98 now?
Yes.
6 3s are 18, 19. Okay, that is the height of the which one? Building. Have we followed?
Yes.
Vaishnavi followed? Niti following? Yes or no? Speak, yes, no. Mr. Hello, work down, sit and talk. Try to understand yourself. No consulting over here. Without consulting, do it. What happened to you?
So how did you get 38 with 0.86?
15 to 2 is 30. Divide by 2. 8 2s are 16. Remainder 1. 6 2s are 12. Remainder 1. 6 2s are 12. Not good. Okay? Chalo. Next one. If you don't follow, just directly multiply. Same answer. Now, next, second case. What is second case? First part?
So tan 45
Theta is equal to 45 degree. H will be same. You don't take this value H, you take as 15 root 3. At last you put, because sometimes root 3 will be automatically cancelled. In this case, it will not cancel. So you have to find out the length of the shadow to find X. So again, tan 45 is equal to H upon X. 1 is equal to 15 root 3 upon X. X is equal to 15 root 3, which is already 25.98 meter. Therefore, the length of the shadow is equal to 15. When theta equal to 45 degree, length of the shadow is equal to 75.98 meter. Are you followed this much now?
Yes.
Prasad? Oi. Next, second case. In second part, theta is equal to 60 degree. Again, H will remain 15 root 3 meter. You have to find out X. So what we get? Tan 60 is equal to, who is that root 3 and all telling? You know all the values now? Then, shall I ask you? Then how do you know this root 3? Reading from the table only? Don't do that, and if you know, please tell loudly, no problem. Therefore, X is equal to how much? X is equal to 15 meter. Root 3 cancels. Are you followed the case?
Yes, sir.
Okay, these are not complicated ones. Same concept is. Are we following? BRB, Boyer, Rajbhumi. Once again, I am telling you, please do not discuss and do it. You will not learn. You have to learn the figure. Once the figure means you know, then the remaining things nothing. We got tan theta, sin theta, substitute or cos theta. Yes. Rationalizing thought about multiply, divide, root 3. Root 3 to root 3 is 3. 15 3s are 45. No 15. Do you know how did you get 30 into 0.866? Multiply and divide by 2. Permanent place. Yes. Vaishnavi standard. Whenever she has not done the homework, her permanent place over here. Understood? Friend teaching and you get from here, okay? Otherwise you will be sitting over here. You will be sitting. If you do the homework. That it never happens. It will happen. I don't know, someone else will come to your life then. Till now it's not happened. Yeah. Okay, question number which one are done? Fifth one. Not over. Okay, last question. Who will read it properly? Read properly. Because again you have to think, listen carefully. Yes, one of you read. Okay, more read.
Two climbers are at a point A and B on a vertical cliff face. To observers see 40 meters from the foot of the cliff. On the level ground, A is at an elevation of 48 degrees and B of 57 degrees. What is the distance between the climbers?
All of you read the question once again. It's a 3x2 type of figure. Think that way. Did you read?
Yes, sir.
Abni, read the first once again. First statement.
Two climbers are at a point A and B on a vertical cliff.
So, climbing. See, this is like here. This is a vertical cliff. Two climbers are climbing means, let's say one is at A and the other is at B. It's not mentioned who is the top and we have to find out the distance. We have to find out the distance between these. Okay. Now, next is what? There is a person observing, means there is a person here and observing these two. First one's angle of elevation is how much?
48.
Second one?
57.
So that means this one can come over here like this here. So let's say here is the ground. Here is the ground. So they are reached up to here. So there is a person is standing over here and observing how much is given? 48. And another same person. Okay. Now next is what the point is given. The person is there. Anywhere is given person 40 meter foot of the cliff, and what is this point is given? No. So what do you have to find out? That means this is h. Let's say this is x. So you have to find out the distance between the two climbers. Means you have to find out length of AB. Are you followed the figure? Vaishnavi followed the figure. Shivam. All of you followed the figure.
Yes.
There are two climbers are there, right? A and B are two climbers. Distance between them AB equal to h. A and B are two climbers. Well, there are two climbers are climbing. This way, climbing mountaineering. Okay, so climbing is going on. Okay, so one person is looking from here. He is seeing here the angle of elevation. Okay, this is 48 degrees. He is looking at the second person. And so you imagine this one. This is their climbing. One person over here, other one. So from here, angle of elevation. From here, angle of elevation. Understood now? That is what he is thinking. Okay. So AB is equal to h. All right. D is the foot. D is the foot of the cliff. AD is equal to how much? X meter. C is the observation point. C is the observation point. CD is equal to how much? 40 meter. We have to find out which one?
AB.
Okay. Now look here. These two angles don't take directly the values. At last the value will take. So which are the two triangles we take? Triangle ADC. ADC you will get tan 48 is equal to AD upon CD. That is tan 48 is equal to x by 40. X is equal to 40 tan 48. Don't put the values or anything, just leave as it is. At last you can, if you want, you can put. Next is in triangle BDC. What will you get? Tan 57 is equal to BD upon CD. That is tan 57 is equal to H plus X upon 40. Therefore, H plus X is equal to 40 tan 57. Second condition. So you got both the conditions now. Now, what we need to find out here? Value of X. So we have to eliminate what? X. So we'll write from 1 and 2. And 2. We replace for X. So substitute what we get? H plus H. Sorry. 40, not H. Instead of X is what? 40 tan 48 is equal to 40 tan 57. We can do it with the value of H, means shift that one. 40 tan 57 minus 40 tan 48. You can take common factor. What is common over here? 40 is common. What is left out? Tan 57 minus 40. Now you tan 57 minus tan 48. You can subtract both of them now. Is equal to how much? 57 minus
9.
9. Very good. All are smart people. Can you subtract this one? You cannot subtract the tan. Values you can subtract. Understood? We have to find the value and subtract. Don't subtract 58 and this one. So then tan 45 minus tan 30 is tan 15. No? So 40 into what is the value of tan 57?
1.5399.
5399 minus 1 point double
1106.
1106. Subtraction all of you know. 40 times. This is coming as 3, 9. This is coming as what? 2,
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 4, 4, 2, 9, 3, no? Multiply by 4, that is answer. 0, 4 into this one. 4 3s are 12, 9 3s are 4, 9 4s are 36 plus 1, 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, how much answer?
17.172.
So therefore 17.17 meter. Please go through once again this question. Once again you have to go through. Thank you. We have to do the homework exercise. See how much you are finding difficulty. You have to do it, practice. Otherwise it will be very going. Be here only. ठीक है हुआ
नहीं